weeks in a row we do not have class. The following week the school is closed for Thanksgiving. Okay, so we don't have class for 2 weeks. I know, it stinks. But we'll be back after that. Okay. Had to start all over again, yeah. Class is doing very well. They were in Butterfly for 2 side draw closes for a full basic. Sound of Silence. Here we go. Two side draw closes. Full rumba basic. Fence line to line crab walks. Spot turn butterfly. Reverse crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. One time step. Alamana. Back to butterfly. Full chase. Half basic. Whip man face center. Fence line. Through to the serpiente. Fence line. Alamana. To the lariat. New Yorker with butterfly man face wall. Fence line through to the serpiente. Fence line to butterfly. Half basic. New Yorker. Modified chase was under arm turn. Man's facing center. 2 cucarachas. Reverse side walks. Half basic. New Yorker. Modified chase with underarm turn. Man's facing wall. 2 cucarachas. To line side walks. Full basic. Nicely done. Fence line. To line crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. Reverse crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. One time step. Alamana. Back to butterfly. Full chase. Half basic. Whip man face center. Fence line through to the serpiente. Fence line. Alamana. To the lariat. Fence line through to the serpiente. Fence line. Half basic. Whip man face wall. 2 side draw closes. Close it up. Dip twist leg crawl. You know how to end the dance. Excellent. Nicely done. Alrighty, next one up. This is a great little waltz. Used to be Rich Locke's favorite Crying Angel waltz. Crying Angel. Phase 2 waltz.
I kid you not, I'm waiting for it. Okay. It's probably still in the air.
Could be, because I've had that happen before.
I knew it the minute I heard her.
Here we go, gang. This is a Phase 2 plus. The Osmond Brothers. Okay. We're in butterfly for 1 canter, a part point, the butterfly touch.
Before I had told her.
Here we go. Canter, a part point, butterfly touch, waltz away and together,
I knew it. The
step
minute
swing,
I
spin maneuver, spin turn,
and I
half a box back,
knew right away
2 left turns face the wall,
was wrong.
hover,
If
now
I
maneuver,
had
impetus semi, pick up the sidecar, twinkle banjo, twinkle with maneuver, 2 right turns, back to butterfly, balance left and right,
where does
twirl line 3, ladies roll across baseline, twinkle face reverse, through face closed, balance left and right, man's facing center, reverse twirl line 3, ladies across face reverse, twinkle face line, through face closed, dip back and hold, maneuver to a pivot 3, twirl line 3, through face closed, canter to butterfly, waltz away and together, very good.
I call everything
Step swing,
I could,
spin maneuver, spin turn,
and I
half a box back,
everywhere
2 left turns face the wall, hover, now maneuver, impetus semi, pick up sidecar, twinkle banjo, twinkle maneuver, 2 right turns to butterfly, balance left and right, twirl line 3, ladies across face line, twinkle face reverse, through face closed, balance left and right, men are facing center, reverse twirl line 3, ladies across face reverse, twinkle face line, through face closed, dip back and hold, maneuver to the right pivot 3, twirl line 3, through face closed, canter butterfly, balance left and right, twirl line 3, ladies across face line, twinkle face reverse, through face closed, left face turning box halfway, face wall, twirl line 3, through face closed, dip back, hug and squeeze. Nicely danced, guys, good job.
Really can't find a bad